Privacy is a fundamental human right. And Zcash give you privacy, Dash give you privacy, Monero give you privacy, but Monero, I don't know. Monero don't make sense to me. Bitcoin is totally transparent. Anybody can see what is in your wallet if you spend it, how much you got paid if you got paid in Bitcoin, and your activities can be monitored. That's not privacy. So the real fungible tokens, coins, is Zcash and Dash. Monero don't make sense to me, because you should have that option, you know.